Ciao a tutti, welcome to another video. So it's been a while. Last week I couldn't post anything. I had everything ready but not edited, so sorry for last time. It was really busy week in the office, so I didn't have the time to do that. But now is the time. So this is the project of today. It's gonna be a kind of mini journal. I'm taking my Medium journal, and I wanted to recreate similar, let's say, texture that I had in one of my best, or at least the most viewed art journal page, the one with the collage and all the pink background. So I wanted to recreate the same texture but using the blue instead. So I'm using again the sponge, I'm using my acrylic paint, and I decided to just put the first layer in blue. This time I didn't want to have the gesso as first layer. I wanted to have kind of still try to see have visible the background with the text of the page, since this is an altered book basically. So that's what I'm doing, and I don't mind about the picture that if it's not well covered, the one on the bottom right corner, because anyway I'm gonna to glue something on top. It's gonna be a kind of small collage there. Then, so after drying all the blue, and again I don't mind if there is some white and some text below coming through, I wanted to do some stenciling, and I decided to do in this light pink color, baby pink, let's say. And I wanted to test this stencil. This is the one that I recently purchased in Michaels. It was a set of 3, are all small little stencil. I like it, but it's not okay, to be honest. So I wouldn't recommend it, because I mean the things that is in between the part of the stencil is really too thin. So or maybe I'm not able to put the color in the right way, so then every time it's not really clear, the stencil, in the end. So yeah, okay, it was nice to give some texture, but I'm not satisfied for that, really. I'm really disappointed, let's say. You can see here, I mean, you can not see anymore all the nice draw that there was in the stencil. So yeah, okay, next time I'll try. I still have to find the stencil that I like, because I usually go to Michaels, and there are not a lot of variety, to be honest. So I think I need to find something online, but we'll see. Anyway, so I did the things with the light pink, and I'm now using again the same stencil, but I wanted to put some yellow there. So I want to have this color combo, so the blue, the light pink, and the yellow. I think it make a nice color combo there. So I will put the yellow, I will put mainly on the bottom on the right, because then on top I want to put a collage part on top of that. So it's gonna be nice to see some yellow coming through, let's say. So I'm gonna put here and there some of the yellow color, again using the stencil here and there, so nothing crazy. And to be honest, when I pick the color, I don't put any water on the brush, so it's really a dry, just dry color. And yeah, because if I use the water, I mean, it's gonna be really a mess, because this stencil is really too thin. Okay, you understood that I'm disappointed, but okay, anyway, this is what it is. So then for the focal point, I'm gonna just glue one small item that I had in my stash forever. To be honest, I don't remember even where I found it. So this is the lovely cat that I found in my stash. I think it was from a postcard that I grabbed somewhere, but no sure, to be honest. I don't remember anymore. And of course, it's not mine. It's watercolor design. I don't know the artist's name, to be honest. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting around, so removing all the white around the image, and then glue it there on top. I'm using again the matte medium, and then I will put also the matte medium on top. And I don't know if you are a cat lover, but I am. Okay, I like also dog. Both of them are very nice pets. I love them, both of them. But I'm more a cat person, I think. Maybe because I'm more used to. Because when I was young, I had a few cats, but no dogs. Let me know if you are more a dog person or a cat person. We can have a kind of small poll survey, let's say, and see who will win. But okay, I like both, to be honest. But I'm more used with the cat. Anyway, so I glue it there, and it's so cute. So then I decided just to put the quote on top, and basically that's the page. And the quote, again, I'm usually drawing by hand with my brush pencil, and I'm then decided to cut it out all around with keeping the white border. I like this way of gluing, putting, let's say, the quote into the page. And as you know, I think that at this point you really know, I really love to have at least a quote, one quote in the page, even one word, at least something needs to be there, something. So the quote of today is about cat, of course. Why not? And it's about am I looking normal? I think I made a mistake. I think it's am I looking normal? Sorry for my English. Anyway, am I look normal when I talk to cats? And it's like me talking to cats, and he was with this surprise face, he's looking back at me with my meow. At least that's the idea. Silly, I know. Anyway, so that's basically the project of today. I'm just gonna do some shadow all around the cat and all around the words that I just glued. And this is just my Stabilo pencil. Is great because you just put it there, and then you put some water on top with just a brush dip in the water, and it's gonna give you a lot of black color, and it's gonna move around. I really like it. It's something that it's very cool to have in a page. Then finally, after adding some black, I decided that something still was missing, so I decided to have some splash. Basically, the splash save always the day. So I decided to have some splash with the same yellow color that I had in the background. So I just put some water on top, a lot of water, and use a tiny little brush and go all around with the tiny brush. Try to avoid the cut, because that's the focal point. I wanted to have like that. But look how cute he is, how surprised is his face. I want to kind of cuddle him, and nice, cute. Okay, don't leave yet. I'm gonna put some close-up picture in the end, as always, for the project. And if you want to see more, I will put also the video in the end screen with other collage page and other my last recent video. So if you want to watch more, there is the place where you can go. This week is gonna be pretty busy again, so because I'm moving to another apartment, so I'm trying to stick with my schedule and have the next video posted for next week. But yeah, if not, I'm sorry already in advance. Anyway, that's it for the page. I hope that you like it as much as I like it, and yes, and you had fun. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.